TMC is responsible for the train accident in Odisha that killed approximately 275 people. Well, that is what the leader of opposition in West Bengal, Suvendu Adhikari, alleged. He further said that the Trinalmool Congress tapped the phones of 2 railway officials.
उसमें टीएमसी का चिंता का बात क्या है? ये लोग ने दोनों रेल अधिकारी का कॉन्वर्सेशन का पुलिस को द्वारा फोन टैप किया और ट्विटर में डाल दिया। दोनों रेल अधिकारी का कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसे ये लोग का पता चल गया? इसका पीछे क्या है? साजिश है, टीएमसी का साजिश है। सीबीआई जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगा इसको अंदर एक कन्वर्सेशन कैसे लीक हुआ वो भी आना चाहिए।
This statement comes after an audio clip of a conversation between 2 railway officials was tweeted by TMC leader Kunal Ghosh. Let me tell you that the matter has been handed over to the Central Board of Investigations by the Railways. However, this decision did not go very well with West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who slammed the decision, saying that it is not the time to suppress the truth. The tragic train accident that killed almost 275 people involved the Bangalore-Howrah Superfast Express, the Coromandel Express and a goods train. As many as 275 people were killed and many were injured in the incident. We'll keep bringing in more news and updates for you. To follow Jagran English for more such news and updates.